Hello, I'm Kamya Karthikeyan. I'm an 18-year-old mountaineer, and I would just say it's not important for everyone to climb the Mount Everest. You just need to reach a point where you think you're completely done, and if you take one step beyond that, that's your Everest, irrespective of what field it is in. So I would just tell everyone to keep climbing towards their Everest.
Tell us about yourself. How did you overcome all those challenges to be in a record-breaking that mountaineer?
I've been climbing for almost 10 years now. For me, it never started out as a record-breaking attempt. It just started out as a want to be in the mountains as much as I could, and I've enjoyed every moment of it. And there have definitely been quite a few challenges along the way, but I think the challenges make the summit seem even more worthy.
The first summit when you climbed?
The first summit was my first 6,000er, which was Mount Stoke Kangri in Ladakh.
Where?
And
Ladakh.
I summited it 3 days before.
What was the altitude of that summit?
It was 6,052 meters.
So that was the first summit.
That was
then
my
after
first
that,
summit.
going on?
After that, I set out on the mission to climb the 7 summits, which is the highest peak in each of the continents, and ski to the south and north poles. We've called it Mission Sahas. And over the last 7 years, I completed a huge milestone, which was the 7 summits. And and I started with the highest peak in Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro, and then went on to Mount Elbrus in Europe, Mount Kosciuszko in Australia, Mount Aconcagua in South America, Denali in North America, Mount Everest, and the last of the 7 summits was Mount Vinson in Antarctica.
And the most difficult one?
I would say physically the most difficult was Mount Denali.
Why?
Because there was a lack of support system, which meant that we had to carry our entire expedition logistics. So 20 days of food, equipment, your tent, human waste, everything on a sled that weighs about 50 kgs, and we had to drag that along with us throughout the expedition. So it was physically very, very challenging.
Among the current crops of these mountaineers, where do you put yourself in that list?
I think mountaineering inherently isn't a competitive sport at all, because you can't compete with the mountain, and you're only competing with yourself. So I only strive to be better and stronger than I am every time, and hope that the mountain will let me get to the summit.
The one which you wish to conquer in the future?
There are a lot of mountains.
Yeah.
One mountain that I wish to climb is Mount Trishul in Uttarakhand.
Why?
I was there on an expedition a couple of years back in 2021, and there was an unfortunate accident where we lost 5 of our very close friends, and we weren't able to reach the summit. But I hope to be able to go back and get to the summit and hopefully pay homage to them as well.
Tell us about your early days.
My early days
regarding your family.
My
Do they
family
encourage
has
you?
my family has been integral to me being a mountaineer. My inspiration has always been my father, who was a mountaineer even before I started climbing.
Oh, he climbed?
Yes, and my mother was the one who took me on my initial climbs. So without their partnering.
At what age you were there?
My first trek was when I was 7 years old.
Okay.
So I was very curious as to why my father climbed mountains, and my mother decided to kindle that curiosity and take me out on treks in the Himalayas. So if not for that support, I definitely wouldn't have found my passion this early in life.
Any message you want to give to upcoming mountaineers?
I think I would just say start small and stay consistent. Respect the mountain, and the mountain will always let you climb.
Mountain will call you.
Absolutely. The mountains always call you back.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.